JR Citrus Carpet Cleaning, Cumming, Georgia this morning. It's about 11:30. This is a repeat customer. They're a property management company. So we do, kind of all their move outs or whatever. Move in, move outs, transition. Apparently they just bought this property. Carpet's actually in really good shape. This is probably the worst area there is, which is not even that bad. It's just got a little bit of matting right here in front of where the bed was. It's a total of 8 areas. It's 5 bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs. There's 1 bedroom downstairs. There's a hallway here, as you can see. Then there's also a loft area. So we got the 5 bedrooms, the loft, which is 6, the hall, which is 7, and then there's a little office area, which I guess could also be a living room or a family room downstairs. As I said, the carpet actually is in really good shape. This is the office area here, or what might one consider a sitting area, or maybe a living room, family room kind of thing. And then there's a back bedroom over here. So like I said, it's about 11:30. So we'll jump on this, get this knocked out. Like I said, we'll shoot an after video just so you see. We'll let you know how much solution we use, how much citrus cleaner we use, that kind of stuff. But there won't be much to see visually, but we'll shoot an after video for your enjoyment. All right, it's 12:24, so basically an hour. Like I said, it ended up being a $320 job. We used about 2.5, 3 gallons of actual citrus cleaning solution. As I mentioned in the initial walkthrough, there probably wouldn't be much to see. Basically, the changing of the vacuum lines from where it was vacuumed before we got here, even though it was vacuumed with furniture, because in the master specifically, there was a very obvious area under the bed that had not been vacuumed. Ceiling fans are on to help with drying. Didn't see any, serious issues in the carpet. So, like I said, 8 areas, $320. It's a flat rate of $40 per area. This particular job didn't have any spots or areas of concern, but those are included. There's no per spot fees, upsells, or things of that nature like you'll find with most carpet cleaners. We also offer forever pricing, which is basically as long as you get 5 areas cleaned at least once a year, the cost per area will never go up. So again, this is JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning, citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. 770-652-0630. We do help put people in the carpet cleaning business. We sell our unlimited updates, advertising, marketing, training, etc. Click the link below. We certainly appreciate you for watching. Take care. And again, this is a carpet cleaning process. It does not use a traditional truck mount carpet cleaner, so it dries faster, stays cleaner longer, smells great. It's a citrus-based, non-soapy, non-foamy cleaner. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care and be kind.